What was that? Welcome to today's video. We did a carbon fiber trunk setup, and you might want to keep watching because it looks pretty sick. I gotta get the camera. What is up, YouTube? If you're new here, this is episode 3 of the Nissan 370Z bag series. Go to episode 2 and then episode 1, episode 2, episode 3. Today we're doing whole trunk setup. I'm pretty sure you guys already saw that trunk we're putting. It is carbon fiber. If you didn't, here's a clip though, or an unboxing. So the most important piece to a trunk setup is the floor. That's why we went with the Alliance carbon fiber floor. If you guys, actually let me show you. All the carbon that I have on my car, as well as the body kit, it's from Alliance Carbon. Yo, Danny, why do you always talk about Alliance Carbon and why is all your carbon from him? One, it's amazing, and two, before he even started making carbon fiber parts, he reached out to me and was like, yo, I'm making my first ever carbon fiber part. So he was a subscriber, well still is. He better be. I just love the fact that I see him grow as an individual to a huge carbon fiber company that's still growing, has a bunch of people working on it. It's amazing. Link for this carbon fiber piece, as well as his whole website where you can buy carbon fiber parts, it will be in the description. With that being said though, we gotta unwrap it. Here's a problem that I always have. You guys have seen me open packages on this channel numerous times. I've used things like this, screwdrivers, anything but an actual decent knife. That's why, I'm excited. A company called Knife a Month reached out to me, and they are basically a subscription-based company where every single month that you subscribe to them, they send you packages with different goodies on them every single time, different types of knives and blades and whatnot. Super cool. I have not seen this one yet. We're gonna open it up real quick. Ooh, look at this. This is so sick. We got the Tactical Rescue Outdoor. Ooh, I wonder what this is actually. And then here we got another blade. Look at this piece. Oh man. It's got the nice USMC lettering right there. Oh, that's dope. I actually have no idea what this is. Oh! Okay, I know this is a trunk setup, but look how cool this. I've never seen anything like this. And then shake this one out. Oh man, this is so cool. You can just put it in here like that. Bam. Obviously, link to all this will be in the description. This is super dope. Woo. Gotta be careful we don't scratch it. Wow, look at that. This isn't even the good part. Oh my gosh. Are you seeing? Oh my. Dude, look at the finish on this. Yo, Alliance Carbon. I love you, man. Okay, well here, I present to you guys the new floor carbon fiber trunk for the 370Z. You're gonna tell them, if you want to buy that at alliancecarbon.com. I promise this isn't a commercial and I'm not getting paid by this. I just love this guy and his work is so good. I had to like zip tie everything on here so I could actually make episode 2, driving the car on after the bag's install. Well, today we're gonna take everything apart, put the new trunk back in, and we are doing this episode in sandals. Why not? We got Christian. Shout out to him for helping. Yes, sir. We're still trying to figure out. I do want to put the compressor under where the spare sits, but I'm also putting the spare down there. So we got to see if the spare fits along with the compressor. If it doesn't, we just put it up here. Kind of make everything look kind of clean. This is RL. Put this down.
But this one's the one that
If you get some air,
I don't think it has any air in it.
Dude, we should get a snake exhaust. Dude, that's honestly one of the funniest car TikToks I've ever seen.
That's nice.
Okay, so the current setup we're thinking of is the tank in there, and then the little black box right in front of it. But the thing is, there's one line, this one right here, that comes from the rear of the bag that does not reach over there. Kids, cut your lines long. Don't be like us or like me, because I'm the one that told them to cut it short. But we might go somewhere that has like little, I guess you could say, connections where it holds a crap ton of PSI, so we should be good. We connect one line to the little adapter and then to the other line. So we're gonna try to find that. And I'm actually gonna have trunk space.
Yeah.
Yes.
The compressor would go.
Yeah, we're thinking the compressor would go right under there.
I see that there's already like bolts.
Oh,
see
true.
These ones. So if you find the nut that screws into that, you can just hold.
Oh.
And you don't have to rebolt.
Smart man. What do you like better, AutoZone or O'Reilly's or Advanced?
AutoZone's nicer, yeah.
Yeah.
But for older car parts, Advanced.
The fittings. Look how nice. These are much nicer than the one at AutoZone. $6 each, by the way. Just want to put that out there. There's more random stuff. Nice. Oh, brand new zip tie? What?
Pretty good bag.
Nice little bags.
A lot of water.
Wait, why is there water in there?
That's a bunch of water, Danny.
Brittany. Oh, yeah, I see it. Oh, yeah, I see it.
You're gonna have to figure that out.
Yep.
Your car's gonna look like my Mercedes.
Yeah, it's a good thing we're putting everything over there.
Yeah.
There you go. We already have that bowl right there. Does it fit in? Oh.
You're not gonna believe this. It fit exactly.
What? Let's go.
See? It got this one, and it got this one.
Dude, that's so freaking cool. Now we gotta find bolt or nuts that go to that though.
Sorry.
Yeah, so we switched the port where the compressor goes into from this far end to this far end because the compressor sits on that side, and the line would just be better if it just goes directly right there, as you guys can see. So here we got the ground for the compressor, and then the, what do you call it, like the relay, and then we got the compressor that bolted up. Chris is working on the little filter that comes with it, and then the tank's gonna sit up here. Oh, I'm so hyped. Let's go, Mr. Clean.
And it doesn't leak because they're brass. The plastic ones leak.
I have this little Ooh, look at that. That might be perfect, right?
Yeah.
It was a tight fit. But look at that, dude. Carbon fiber trunk. Is there? Woo!
3M tape.
You think so?
Yeah, because there's don't drill into the carbon fiber.
Yeah, true. Especially when we don't have to, and this doesn't really move around much.
Yeah, it doesn't.
This is my side. Wow.
Oh, it's touching the compressor.
It is? You think this is gonna burn right through the carbon?
Yo, what's good?
Yo, so I'm doing the trunk setup right now, and I'm putting the compressor on the bottom, but like the top of the compressor, which gets hot, it's like rubbing on the bottom side of the carbon fiber. Do you think it'll just burn a hole right through it?
Nah, that's good for like 400 degrees before anything happens.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the tank doesn't go in anymore.
Oh, it doesn't fit. So we do have to take this out because whenever we put the panels on and everything on, the tank does not fit. So yeah, we're gonna take that off, and then we gotta try to, yeah, there we go. Actually, the tank might still not fit. Unless we like push it this way instead of that way. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, it's over the cables. That looks so freaking dope. Oh, look at the carbon. We can literally see a reflection. Let's go. We still gotta line this up, but we just wanted to see where the tank's gonna sit. And right now we can honestly kind of sharpie in the carbon where we would drill the holes. Wow, that is so cool. Hallelujah. Okay, another thing we had to do is take out these 2 points from the harness bar, just because when we bolt the tank to the carbon fiber bottom, everything has to go in at once. We can't just put one piece, slide it in, and then the other piece like we were doing before.
on. Get that cable out of there. Right now.
Okay, so it's currently day 2. We left the compressor under the car. We actually already went ahead and connected the compressor to the tank. Drilled the big hole, and that's where the cables or the line is coming from the compressor up here. But one thing is, the compressor was really damp when we came to go check on the car today. It did rain a lot yesterday, and then I came in here, and there's water right here. So we're trying to figure out why there's water in the car. What I'm thinking right now, though, there's a hole right there. I don't know if you guys can see that, and there's a little puddle right here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna dry all this up, put tape in that hole, and see if this is wet tomorrow, or see if the tape is wet. If that's the case, I just gotta get a whatever goes in here, because it's kind of making everything damp and whatnot. And we should be good for now though, because we're gonna put the filter on the compressor, this right here, and the filter's gonna run up, so the filter's not gonna get damp. But either way, there's cables down here and whatnot, so I want to make sure that there isn't water getting in my trunk, so that's no bueno. Management. I wonder how many people do it like that. I haven't seen many.
I haven't seen.
Yeah, like under the harness bar. Unique. Oh, dude, he's getting a little rust. We gotta protect it. That is actually super nice. With minimal resources, just kind of DIYing everything. That is one clean trunk setup, my friend. That's me filming you guys, filming the mirror, filming me. What was that?
Oh, I know what it is.
Is it the bag in the back?
I know what it is. It happens on the dump trucks. When they stay compacted for too long and they go to open up, they don't open up fully, and they pop open.
Oh, that was scary. Oh my gosh. Is that the exhaust line? Why did it just shut up? Oh, we never ran it on bar.
Never ran it all the way down.
I was like, who's talking to me? It's Siri. Siri, we're filming. I cannot get over how good this car looks. Ah. All right, we're here, aired out. Don't really gotta mention that fact, but you know, I'm just gonna put it out there. Story time. Thank you for sticking along for this whole video. If you're watching right now, I need you to smash the thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't already, and comment below carbon. If you made it to the end, comment below carbon. I love you guys. And with that being said, here is Brittany's trunk setup. Very clean. I'm very proud of it. Shout out to Christian for helping me out. We did a really good job with limited resources and just a lot of DIY and figuring it out. But check this out. Looks so good. Thank you all so much for watching today's video. One last look at the carbon trunk. It looks so good. Ooh, should we make this piece and that piece carbon? Let me know. We can absolutely make that happen. If this video gets 1,000 likes, we'll make this and that carbon. How? I don't know, but I'll figure it out. Yeah. The whole air suspension setup, doing the trunk was probably my favorite part. Just due to the fact you're able to be a little more creative this is your way of like standing out, because there's so many things you can do differently. And this kind of like, everybody has bags, but how's your trunk set up, you know? It's cool. That's my carbon fiber setup. This is my 370Z. If you guys are watching right now, also hit that subscribe, like the video like I said, and let me know what you guys think. With that being said, thank you all so much for watching today's video.